Hello everyone, welcome to today's product demo. Today we'll explore how online e-pharmacies like PharmaNexa, a hypothetical company, use Castle to engage diabetic users using the sensitive patient information stored securely within their server without copying it to a third-party tool. Let's begin by creating a workflow. We'll give this a name and move on to the next step. Now the next step is to create a new segment. Let's call it diabetic users. Select the user schema and a filter criteria. Now, next, I wanted to create a segment of users who have performed a medicines order within the last 6 months but did not perform the mandatory lab test. We'll preview the query, and after getting the result, we'll move on to the next step. Now, here I'll proceed without goals. Now, next step into the user journey, I wanted to send WhatsApp messages to all the users who did not perform the mandatory lab test. We'll give this a name and add a content. Now I'll select the template that I have pre-created for this particular campaign. We also have option to personalize these messages based on personalization attribute. I'll select first name for now and save this step. Now after sending WhatsApp messages, I wanted to add a delay for a couple of days. Now we'll create a branching condition based on whether the user have read the WhatsApp message or not. We'll call it WhatsApp read and the default branch to WhatsApp not read. Now, as you can see, we have two branching condition. I wanted to send in-app notification to all those users who have read the WhatsApp. So we'll click on in-app and give this step a name. Select a trigger criteria and target platform to Android. I'll select the message and the template. And I'll copy the messages that I've created beforehand. Now we also have option to personalize these messages based on personalization type. We'll select user for personalization type and first name for attribute. And in case the first name is not available, we can call it hi there and save this. You can also upload the image based on the messages that you have created. And we'll scroll down and move on to the next step. Now, next, I wanted to send push notification to all the users who have not read my WhatsApp. So I'll select this step and give the step a name. Select the target platform and add a content. So I'll copy all those messages which I've created beforehand from the Sublime text. Now after saving this step, I'll show the same in-app notification as well. So I'll copy the same in-app notification and move on to the next step and publish this. Thank you.